अमेरिकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का, जिन्होंने ईरान की जानिब से 20 साल तक यूरेनियम अफजूदगी रोकने की सूरत में डील पर आमादगी जाहिर की है और वाजे किया कि ईरान कभी जौहरी हथियार नहीं बना सकता। अपने तैयारे एयरफोर्स वन में सहाफियों से बातचीत करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि वो सीज फायर के हक में नहीं थे, लेकिन दीगर ममालिक के कहने पर जंगबंदी की। अमेरिकी सदर ने एक बार फिर फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर और वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ की तारीफ की।
Said that very strongly. They cannot have a nuclear weapon, and he wants them to open up the strait. But as he said, they closed it, and then you closed them with a smile. And it's true. We control the strait, and they've done no business. Literally, they've done no business in the last 2.5 weeks, which is approximately $500 million a day. But no, on Taiwan. He feels very strongly. I made no commitment either way. We really did the ceasefire at the request of other nations. I wouldn't have really been in favor of it, but we did it as a favor to Pakistan, who are terrific people, the Field Marshal and the Prime Minister. The missile launches are probably 80% gone. The New York Times said it's like we were hitting them like pinatas. The missile launches are largely gone. The manufacturing of missiles is about 80%, 80 to 85% gone. And we know where the rest of it. So if we go in, we'll take that out very early.